My name is Ashleigh. I'm from Adelaide and I'm studying the Diploma of Paramedical Science. I chose the Diploma because I'm currently working full-time in aged care. So choosing the Diploma as opposed to the Bachelor for me was just convenience. I'm able to study it at my own pace at the same time as continuing to do a job that I love. I have loved the support from the trainers at APC. They are really good with supporting nervous students, as we all are. The workshops can definitely be nerve-wracking. I've also loved the state-of-the-art facility, their training equipment, the location. What better could you ask for being on the Gold Coast? Hurdles while studying with APC, the biggest one has to be the workshops. I think we're all very good at putting a lot of pressure onto ourselves to know everything, but I think everyone can relate that being a paramedic is a job that you're always going to be learning anyway. Also, self-motivation with online study. It can definitely be very tricky, but I guess you just have to use that drive and that passion to get through all of it, really. Placement was amazing. I did my placement with SA Ambulance Service. That was confronting for me, but you really get the opportunity to put everything that you have learnt into practice. You know, real patients, real life-threatening scenarios, I guess you could call them. They're not scenarios, they're real, they're right in front of you. It pushes you to gather everything you've learnt and really put it into play.